Hi, I'm Lexi. Let's learn 10 easy expressions to say happy birthday. Number 1, many happy returns. It means wishing someone many more years of happiness. Example, many happy returns, Leanie. May your year be amazing. Number 2, have a fantastic birthday. It means hope the day is wonderful and exciting. Example, have a fantastic birthday, John. Number 3, wishing you a day full of joy. It means hoping their day is filled with happiness. Example, wishing you a day full of joy and laughter. Number 4, hope your special day is amazing. It emphasizes the importance of their birthday. Example, hope your special day is amazing and memorable. Number 5, cheers to another year. It means celebrating another year of life. Example, cheers to another year of success and fun. Number 6, have a blast on your birthday. It means encouraging them to enjoy and celebrate fully. Example, have a blast on your birthday, don't hold back. Number 7, wishing you all the best on your birthday. It means sending general good wishes. Example, wishing you all the best on your birthday and beyond. Number 8, hope all your wishes come true. It refers to birthday wishes tradition. Example, blow the candles and hope all your wishes come true. Number 9, enjoy your big day. It means encouraging celebration. Example, enjoy your big day, you deserve it. Number 10, another year older, another year wiser. It means celebrates aging positively. Example, another year older, another year wiser. Happy birthday. Now you can make birthday wishes sound more natural and special. Use one of these phrases the next time you celebrate. Bye for now and see you in the next video.